Hey everyone, this is going to be a short and very specific video to people who own a Mazda CX-9 2016 and newer. So this is a 2021 CX-9 Signature that my wife bought. Beautiful car, and we love this car. If you're looking for a 3-row SUV, I sure highly recommend you take a look at these CX-9s. Beautiful interior, really nice driving car with a great turbo 4-cylinder motor, good gas mileage. We love the car. But anyway, one persistent niggle with this car has been a creak from this area. This has wood trim around the shifter here, and going around corners and braking, accelerating, sometimes there's just a plastic creaky sound, and it it just kind of otherwise mars a beautiful driving experience, and creaks and rattles especially drive me crazy on a new car more than anything. But anyway, I spent about an hour today trying to track this thing down. I could not figure out how to disassemble this, but I finally did take some dry PTFE lube. I think it was just a WD-40 brand. I did tape off some of the plastic here. It said on the bottle it was plastic safe except for polycarbonate, and I'm worried that this might have been polycarbonate, that glossy black. But anyway, I sprayed that dry lube down on all the seams here, where the wood meets the chrome here, and all the way down to the bottom, all the way around. But what I discovered, and where the noise I think was coming from, I just test drove it and it seems to be gone, is right here where the trim meets the AC controls on both sides. This is extremely tight in here, and you can feel that this trim here is actually touching the AC controls down there on the bottom. I know the lighting's not good, I apologize, but anyway, you can get the idea. If you follow this forward, that touches the AC cluster. When I sprayed that dry lube down there, the noise went away, and it seems to have fixed it. So if you've got problems with some creaking or squeaking from your trim console on a CX-9, try spraying a little bit of dry lube in those spots in particular, and I'll bet it fixes it for you. Thanks.